What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular auto auction update. Man, we are back on the West Coast, man. I'm happy to be back with you guys, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We at one of my favorite auctions in town, one of the cheapest auctions in town. They got some dope stuff here today, man, so let's go ahead and check it out now, shall we? Alrighty, we can start right here, man. We got an 08 Chevy Avalanche, 176,000 miles. Pretty good looking Avalanche. It is the 08, so it is the newer one. I mean, it's still old, but you know, it's the newer model compared to the other model Avalanche. But everything under the hood seems pretty intact. I don't see anything that stands out. Pretty cool little truck. 176,000 miles. Leather gray interior. Really good looking truck. I can dig it. You got the sunroof up there. You got the little TV right there. You got a little media interface up here, which is cool. Everything inside seems to be intact. It is the LTZ. That may be the top of the line model of this truck, but all in all, does seem pretty fair. You got a little scrape back there, but like I said, this is a truck, guys. Work truck more so for me, but definitely wouldn't mind using it as a work truck and giving my Raptor a break when I want to tow some bikes and stuff like that. I definitely wouldn't mind grabbing this truck just because I know the resale on it will be pretty great. So I don't know, what do you guys think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Man, we got a 2019 Nissan Sentra, 28,000 miles. I don't even know how this car got up here. It's a brand new car, 28,000 miles. Probably haven't even had the oil change yet, but we can take a quick peek under the hood. Now, usually Nissans, I don't really go for them, the Nissan Sentras, but this one is a newer one, so I wouldn't mind taking a chance on it. I wouldn't mind taking a chance on it, but like I said, everything in here is literally brand new, so no worries with that. We can take a quick look at this side. I don't see any damage or anything. If we open up this joint, we do got a nice interior, cloth seats, no rips or nothing like that. The mileage is pretty good and the interior is really excellent. I don't see anything that stands out. Actually, this might be the top of the line Sentra because I haven't seen one with a sunroof just yet. Now, this is the 2019 model. I'm sure they started updating more things and giving the base models way more special treatment. But speaking of special treatment, this is the special edition, man. So this one's going to be worth a little change here. It is a 19, so we'll have to see what we can do, man. We may be able to grab this and just do a quick flip or something. Who knows? What do you guys think, though? Let me know in the comments below. Got an 08 BMW 535, 122,000 miles on the dash. Does have the sunroof. Pretty decent little whip. We take a look underneath the hood. Everything seems to be intact. I don't see anything that really stands out to me. You guys know that we didn't see some of the worst little BMW 5 Series up here, but all in all, pretty decent little ride. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some black leather interior. I'm digging it. I wish it was like the faster one. The faster one, at least like the V8 or M5 rather, but you know, pretty fair. 122K on the dash. Seems like you still may be able to get a decent ride out of it. All in all, pretty decent. You do got a little tequila kick right there in the trunk. All in all, no big deal. No big deal, man. What y'all think though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, man, we got this 03 Ford Focus, 132,000 miles. Now, this is definitely going to be something cheap that you may be able to score for a few $100 and then flip it for like a good $1,500 or so. Now, if you want to do that, interior is pretty whooped though. I ain't gonna even hold you. The interior is super whooped on this. It's like all type of stuff. Like, I'm good. The interior is super wood. You definitely gonna have to get that thing super detailed, but it is the wagon. You can hold X amount of things in it. No body damage back here. You can swing right around. See what's up. See what's up, yeah. Dusty as heck. Look like this thing's been sitting for a while. Like I said, it is a 03. It wouldn't be my first choice, but if you can get it for a few $100, it would be something nice to stock up on during tax time. And I don't want the 07 Nissan Maxima with 184,000 miles. I don't want the 2002 Mercedes E320 with 296,000 miles. That thing is up there in the miles, boy. We got a 2000 Honda Accord here, 176,000 miles. Now this high mileage I wouldn't worry too much about, but we can check it out. I thought that was the airbag or something blowing out, but it does have 176,000 miles on the dash. Pretty cool little car. The body seems to be in pretty fair shape. If you take a look at the inside, it does have some beige cloth interior. Back seats and everything is good to go. Like I said, this is an older Honda, guys, so I mean, it's not going to be in the best shape, but it definitely is going to get you from point A to point B, judging that this thing starts up with no knocking or nothing like that. So we'll definitely have to keep this in our mind. We'll probably bid up to like 450 on this. Nothing too crazy, just because it is a Honda, a 2000. So what y'all think, man? We got a 2014 Chevy Spark, 134,000 miles. Looks like it has a bad transmission on this thing. Now this car is gonna go for really cheap here today. At least I think so. This car has not been started in a while, I'm sure. Like I said, bad transmission. You may be able to find the tranny for cheap. Then again, these Chevy Sparks, you don't really see too much of them anyway. Interior is pretty wood. Look like this car has literally been through it. Smells like smoke and all the above. But I mean, hey, if you want a little Chevy Spark, man, this is yours. Bad transmission, you might be able to find it for a low. But I don't know, your guess is as good as mine, man. What you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 08 Honda Civic, 134,000 miles. Two-door. I think this one was actually here maybe a few weeks ago. And they didn't pick it up, of course. Take a look at the inside. Pretty decent. It is really dusty in here. Now, like I said, this one was here before. I don't know why it didn't get picked up. Either people don't got money right now, or it was just not running very well. So I don't know. We'll have to see when it comes to the auction, because I definitely remember this little tequila kick on the side over here. So we'll have to see what happens, man. And I definitely don't want the 2010 Chevy Impala with 360,000 miles. That was a taxi Chevy. I'm actually good on that. But we got an 07 Hyundai Accent with 46,000 miles. Now the mileage on this is incredible. Paint on it is not as incredible. Take a quick look at the inside. Like I said, it is pretty fair at 46K on the dash. Everything in here looks pretty new and decent. Couple of burn spots in the seats. All in all, no big deal. This one would probably be my first choice, even with the paint looking like this, just because the mileage is really low and I can promote it as me not just driving it. It's just been sitting up. We can clean it up really nice, get some nice hubcaps for it, and bring this thing back, man. So that's honestly what I think I might do. We can pop the hood on this bad boy just to see really quick. Super dusty underneath that hood. I don't know if it's been touched in a while, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know if it runs right or not, but we'll see. We got a 06 Pontiac Grand Prix, 160,000 miles on the dash. No body damage from a first glance. We can pop this hood because it's just staring us in the face, and we can see what it's looking like under there. It does look like they was touching some stuff because I don't see an engine cover. But at 160,000 miles, I don't know if this will be a choice of mine at all. It's pretty whooped in the interior. Seats is beige. You guys know I never really buy cars with beige seats, or at least try not to. And then this one is the regular Grand Prix. I thought it was like the GT of some sort, but it's not the GT at all. So it definitely wouldn't be worth little to nothing. And I'm gonna pass on it, man. So let's keep going now, shall we? We got a Toyota Camry, rebuilt title, 184,000 miles. Now this thing you would literally have to just want to get from point A to point B. It having a rebuilt title, most people is gonna be like, nah, I'm good, so on and so forth. But I guess it's a pretty clean little Camry. Oh yeah, interior on this thing is freaking flawless. Really clean interior, really clean seats. Everything looks to be intact. Now with the rebuild, I really wouldn't mind buying this one just because it's like super clean, of course. But it does look really good, man. Does look really good. It will be a decent car to start off with, and you may be able to get it for a few $100, man. So let's see. Alrighty, we got a Pontiac. We got a 03 Pontiac Grand Prix, 118,000 miles. Golly, what's up with all these things messing up my audio today? 118,000 miles on a Grand Prix. You can take a quick look at the inside. Inside looks fairly decent. Now, if it was the GT or the Supercharged or the GTP rather, I would definitely be interested with the miles, but it's not the GTP. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man? Alrighty, we got a 15 Kia Optima, 105,000 miles. Now, you guys remember this car was here maybe about 2 weeks ago. I didn't come to that auction, so I'm not sure what it sold for or why it didn't sell, but it does have 105,000 miles. Now, this is a Kia. Most of the time, these Kias, these body styles, they usually have a lot of problems and stuff. And now, if I'm looking in the car, I see that on the seat. It definitely has to be something with the fuses or has like an electrical problem of some sort. Interior is pretty cool, but it definitely could use a really fresh detail. Really good looking car. It is the GDI. I don't know if that's the hybrid model or what, but me personally, I definitely think it's going to be an electrical issue with this Kia. All in all, the body is pretty fair, man. What do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Wow, this is different. This is definitely a different type of paint scheme. We got a 1981 Mercedes 380 with 158,000 miles, guys. It does have like some cool little body trim on it. Some cool little, gives it that little flare look or wide body stance, if you will. Huge Mercedes-Benz emblem. It's got the AMG on the windshield. I'm digging it. I actually like the color. It's pretty decent. I haven't really seen one this color at all, to be honest with you. So it has to be custom. If we take a look at the inside now, like I said, guys, this is a 1981. So definitely a blast from the past. You got all your controls right there on the seat for you and the passenger over there, so that's always a plus. That's dope. You got duct tape on the seat. This thing is like way older than me, and it's got the Recaro seats, so this thing may actually have been something really decent and fast, like. But then again, you know, I don't know, it's so old and like you may be having to put together. Now see, look, this says 560 SL, but the front says 380, and then it has Rough Riders on it. So this one, my guess is it came from New York. I know a lot of the old New York players and ballers and ex-drug dealers used to ride around in these things in the 80s looking real cool. So I would not doubt if this thing came from New York. But pretty nice car, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. I kind of want to check out the underneath the hood real quick, but I don't even know how to pop that thing. Let's see. I don't even know how to pop the hood on it, Brad. Boy, bang. And I don't want the 06 Nissan with 194,000 miles. I don't want the Toyota Solara. Actually, it seems like it's pretty fair. So 04 Toyota Solara with 207,000 miles. I don't see too much body damage on it. You do have a couple little kinks here and there. You do have a centerpiece missing on the opposite wheel, but all of the wheels match, so that's a plus. 207,000 miles on a Toyota. Pretty not, you know, not that bad. But interior does seem pretty fair, I guess, for the year. Couple rips, but this is what's bugging me right here. I don't think the airbags are blown, but you definitely got to fix that up. Interior and everything seems to be pretty fair, I guess, but the mileage is what's going to get me. But I don't know. You still might be able to make some money on it, man, getting it for a decent price. What y'all think, though? Then I don't want the Toyota Camry, man. I'm actually good on the Camry there, dog. I'm actually good on the Camry. I don't want the Hyundai Sonata, the 04 with 121,000 miles, a little bit old for me. 06 Pontiac G6, 140,000 miles. It is a, this is the one This is the one that we hustle daily. I think you was talking about this one, but this is the G6 manual transmission, start, no drive, no start. No start on this van here. No start, no start. We got a 1983 Mazda RX-7 rotary. Let's see it. 65,000 miles. Manual trans. I don't know if it runs and drives or not, but we can take a look. Engine looks like it's all over the place. Not really, but really. May be able to get something going here. If we take a look at the inside though, pretty decent burgundy leather interior, not that bad. I'm pretty sure this thing will sell for like crumbs here today. People not really on the RX-7s, man. My mom's husband had a RX-7 with a 13B engine, and that thing was freaking fast as heck. But this will be a nice little project, man. Pretty decent. What y'all think though, man? Let me know in the comments below. No start on the HHR. No start. We got a we got a Vet. We got an 84 Vet. No start. No start. The C4. Little C4. This thing is whooped though, boy. Whooped. Like this thing been sitting under a tree forever. I don't know. But your guess is as good as mine. I'm actually good. Actually good, man. So, alrighty, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you're wondering what any of these cars have sold for, man, be sure to tune into the video, the live auction, man. We are going up, trying to score some deals, man. With that being said, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thanks for tuning in, man. Let's see what we can win. What was your favorite ride today? Let me know right now in the comments below, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though. Peace.